Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shortcuts and tapping the plus button to make a new shortcut. Give it a name that tells you what it does. Then add your first action. Pick an app action or scripting open app/URL so the shortcut has an immediate effect. Once done, make sure permissions are allowed for the apps you'll use, because missing access is the most common blocker. Now save the basic step and run a quick test to confirm the action executes. You now assemble the logic by chaining actions and wiring outputs into inputs. Use if to branch by condition, repeat for lists, and wait when timing matters. Set variable stores values mid-flow. Once constructed, tap Run to preview how the shortcut behaves and inspect any output. If something fails, trace the output between actions to find where data stops or mismatches. Make incremental changes and rerun. This iterative finish by adding the shortcut to your home screen, widget, or an automation trigger so you can run it quickly. Assign an icon and a Siri phrase for hands-free use, and review shortcut settings to allow running from other apps. Once saved, test every trigger path to confirm behavior. If it fails, check permissions first, then verify input and output types between actions because mismatched data is the usual culprit. Replace or simplify the failing action and run again to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.